Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, also known as the Computer Classroom. So this video is a thank you video. We've reached 7K, 7,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. And we've only started, it's been a couple years, 2021. So I'm going to open up this video with, this is actually the grand tour of my classroom back on January 5th. It was like the first week in January 2021. So I'm just going to show you a tiny clip of it. And then I went into just downloading a bunch of videos. I've always done classroom tours. So you're going to see the computer classroom. This is out in Greenberg 11 in Dobbs Ferry. So you'll see a bunch of videos there. We had a science teacher who had pets in the classroom through PetSmart or Petco. They do a grant. So you're going to meet Spike. Then there's videos on what got us monetized and all the views was the Ya No Mas. So you'll see with English subtitles, it's a Spanish song. The Doodle for Google contest, along with computer class rules, some posters, keyboards that I've made, and different apps that we've learned and that we've experienced. Let me see. I'm trying to think. There's so much. I learned Roblox. I know I've videotaped. I recorded myself doing Roblox and Nitro Type. A ton of races. I think we have. Gosh, I think we have like 500 videos probably on Nitro Type. Nitro Type was a big part of my YouTube journey. Sharing what I do in the classroom, as well as trying, like, I think I tried Gasha, not Fortnite. I tried playing Fortnite, 2K. What else? Students doing backflips on campus. Like, we had, just fun stuff as far as field trips and the monetization process. So I know I filmed videos on myself getting monetized and helping the YouTubers out there. I always do an all about me collage in the beginning of the school year to get to know my students. So school districts, we represent a lot of different countries. So I think I put a video on that. Every month you'll see a happy birthday video. Excuse me. Classroom posters, that's a big thing. I love visually walking into a classroom, seeing a huge poster, whether it's rules or key terms, do now, the companies, stuff like that. So, and then most recently we had like a business wall, being that I teach both computers and business. My last job was all business entrepreneurship. So you're going to see a ton of like business information. We collected, like, you name it, every single bag. And I even got a couple billboards and different posters and signs. So you'll see that. Fan letter assignment, learning the Cricut machine. Gosh, there's so much. Helping students with their entrepreneurial journey, whether it's opening up Treats by Tristy. I know we had Jahim, No Mercy, giving the business classroom tours, learning how to use the Cricut machine, just some entrepreneurial ideas that high school students can do to make money, whether it's babysitting or coming up with a good idea for their brand, their clothing brand, or making hats. Shout out to Malcolm with his hats. And then music videos. I like posting, the different types of music that I like listening to, and just kind of putting clips, whether it's pictures or I like to record. I like photography. And so you're going to see a bunch of, like, a playlist of like my own music videos, how I decorate my classroom for free. I also like having a gumball machine, so keeping track of sales in Microsoft Excel, doing fun activities like that, and just kind of, showing off the students' work. There's different, like, top student entrepreneurs. I made like posters for each entrepreneur. One student does hair, the other one does candy-covered fruit, whether it's grapes or whether it's strawberries. And then visiting different companies, like inside Brooks Brothers. I know we did a video with the history of Brooks Brothers, and I filmed inside the store, whether it's Psycho Bunny, stuff like that. And then again, a lot of personal stuff. So you'll see like a playlist. And I started to just open up a little bit. I do have like an Airbnb business and do a little real estate. And whatever I can share. I've done a ton. You can take a look at my whole resume online, mrtodoric.com. So I've worked at so many places, from like Victoria's Secret to Home Depot. I've done Uber Eats. I've done Grubhub. I'm still on Grubhub. Avon, Mary Kay, licensed realtor, love photography, like I said. And there was one BPO company where you take pictures of, homes, like a lot of freelance work, stuff like that. So you name it, a lot. I've done it. I've worked in a ton of retail. Restaurant industry wasn't my thing. I think I tried the diner once and then I quit. I did work. My first job was at the bakery. That was kind of cool. And then I got into like dry cleaners. So I worked off the books at a lot of different various dry cleaners. And then, so a lot of experience, a lot of business experience. And like I said, you're just going to find a little bit of everything on this channel. And there's just so much. I started just making a ton of playlists. So hopefully whatever video you're looking for, my advice to you, go check out the playlist and then you'll see whether it's subscribing to a particular student. And on my homepage, all the way on the bottom, I have like all the students, all of their YouTube channels. So please support your other classmates, your students, old students that I've, schools that I've taught in the past that I've left. I still support you guys. I'm still here, still watching your YouTube channels grow. And now that I have my own kids, obviously, I got them into YouTube as well, and they're very successful. Well, so far so good. And I'm pushing them to do what they love and record and have fun. So the same thing I'm doing. I hope I'm inspiring them so they are doing their own channels as well as a family channel and just taking it from there. So thanks for watching once again. Thank you. I can't wait. We're going to have like a big, huge 10K party. That's going to be exciting. So we are at, I think it's like 7,000, probably close to 7,500 right now. And 10K is very exciting. It's very close. I feel like it's around the corner. Never thought I'd be saying that. And we'll see. We'll see from there. Hopefully it blows up and continues to be successful. But I'm very happy, and I just wanted to say thank you because I couldn't have done it without your help. So thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed this video. All right. Bye.